All right, so I got a call out here at the Flying J, Elkton, Maryland for a no start. So apparently Chuck's been sitting for 2 weeks. Not sitting for.
You gotta go inside?
Nah, no.
I got the dog in there.
Oh no, well, I ain't afraid of dogs, but you're gonna be going inside there in a minute, depending on what the voltage is.
Okay.
So, yeah. So Chuck's been sitting for 2 weeks. It's a brand new truck. So we'll see what the voltage is on this thing. Maybe I can use my pack. I might not be able to do that. We'll see. Don't look like a new truck. Or maybe I misunderstood the company. Anyway, let's see what kind of voltage we got. Oh man, it's at 11.1 volts. All depends on the draw, but we're going to try to use the pack. So yeah, okay. All right, give me a second. You got the key on? Go ahead and turn that off for me for a sec. All right, so we're gonna try the pack here and see if we can get it started. If not, I'll have to use my charger. Look like regular batteries, don't even look like AGMs. So let's see what happens. Okay. Let's do this one here. And then we'll do this one over here. Okay. Okay, you go ahead and try to start it. And she's staring at me. I just looked up and seen her staring at me. There we go. Got it started. Alright. Turn this off and disconnect. Alright, gotta keep it running. You know that, right? Okay. Alright, so what I gotta do is I gotta write this up and get payment from your company. Okay. Alright, because it's not one of our regular customers. Yeah, I already got the invoice half written up, so I'll go ahead, you know, come out with the info and get that, and then call for payment. I'll give you a receipt. You sign off, and I'll give you a receipt. Okay. Don't get out, because I'm gonna put this away. And okay, because I gotta put that cover back on. All right. So it was only at 11 volts. I didn't know if the draw power was going to be what it was going to take. I mean, just because it says 11, it's actually when you draw. If it goes anywhere below 5, it might not have worked. But they say it's a newer truck. So we're going to put this back together. That quickest road call you're probably going to see out of all the ones I put out there so far. So now the only thing I got to do is get payment, so it's going to do it for this one. So until I get another one, I'll see you all on the next one.